Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So the correct output of this code is 2 and 3. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here initially A is 1 and B is 2. In the next line, we are doing A comma B equal to A plus B. So A is getting the value of B and B is getting the value of A plus B. So here A is 2. As you can see, A is getting the value of B. But in the case where B is getting the value of A plus B, what happens is that it doesn't take this updated value. Instead, it takes the previous value, which were 2 and 1. And 2 plus 1 is 3, which gives 3 here. And that's why we got 2 and 3 as the output.